Hello guys, WRP railfanning here. Today we'll be doing a station tour here at the Brewster station in Brewster, New York. So yeah, this station is served by the Harlem line, and it is the second to last station of the Harlem line for the electrification. So yeah, take this elevator. Okay, here we are. There's the ticket machines, but we're not going to buy tickets since we're doing a station tour. Anyways, let's head down to the platform. So yeah, this is the station. This is Brewster. Okay, right. Here's the sign. Brewster, Metro North with the blue trim. And apparently this station actually has a railroad crossing, actually. Wanna know where it is? It's just over there. So yeah, here's the railroad crossing. And here's the sign that says, "Do not walk or stand on anti-trespass panels," which is over here. They also have this at the Breakneck Ridge station. Here's the railroad crossing. So anyways, let's go to the other side. Okay. Let's use this side. Okay. There's more at the station. Let's go. Here's more of the station. You've also got this nice shelter that we can go into. I don't know how this thing opens. I don't know if this thing opens. Maybe try using a different door. Or maybe it's locked. So, here's the destination board. A train is coming to... there's a train bound to Grand Central coming at 4:11. So unless we want to stay here and wait for the train, it's only So as you can see, this track is to White Plains in New York, and this track is to Southeastern Mosaic. So we're just gonna wait a few moments for a train at 4:11 to come, and then after that we'll wait for a 4:37 train to come. So guys, if you're wondering if this is an accessible station, Brewster, well, it is, because this has an elevator, an island platform, all the things that could fit wheelchair disabled people's needs. So yeah, the elevator takes you to the island platform. There's two of them actually, so that's good. One that's from there, and then the other one's right there. So yeah, I just want to let you know, guys, there's two elevators that take you from that to the platform. So yeah, just want to let you know. Okay, now we wait. Guys, I have found something pretty interesting. Okay, the camera quote. Oh, that's better. So apparently that Metro North work vehicle has the original 1983 logo of Metro North, where it was known as Metro North Commuter Railroad until 1994 when it became the Metro North Railroad following the MTA's logo change. Obviously, this is such a rare find since I think most work vehicles don't have this logo. Maybe they do, otherwise it'd be a common find, but still, this is pretty cool, seeing a work vehicle use the old Metro North logo. So yeah, now we wait for the train. Okay, we got a train coming. Let me just, yeah, that's better.
Let me hold it, and then, because, you know.
It's kind of right now.
Yeah, sorry.
So,
It's okay. I don't need him standing over.
I
Chris-
see the train.
Chris, you'd like the Hudson line too. Going up the Hudson River.
Yeah, I've been on the
Very
Hudson
nice.
line. How did you know my name?
Your mom said it.
Oh, I've been on the Hudson line before, actually. I did it from Greystone to Grand Central and Tarrytown to Peekskill.
Oh.
Yeah. If I had to pick the one, I'd say Harlem because it's great. It's like great scenery. But Hudson also has great scenery too. But the Harlem, I think, has better service during rush hour.
It's very different.
Oh!
How'd you know my name was Pete?
Pete?
Yeah.
Cool. Enjoy your trip, Pete.
Nice to meet you.
Take care, guys.
You too.
Bye, Pete.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Have fun.
Enjoy your trip.
I will. I'm gonna take a nap, I think.
That person has like a Yankee shirt on. I think he's going to the World Series. Hi, Pete. Yeah. Now, many people say that. Oh, many people think that's like an anti-climber, but this train's actually old the gangway. And, well, there you go. Train. Well, that was all of it. Guess we're gonna get back to the car now. Well, that wraps it up of this video. Bye.